iQOO is gearing up to unveil the iQOO 12 series smartphones in China on November 7. The Vivo sub-brand has been teasing key details of the upcoming offerings. The iQOO 12 and iQOO 12 Pro will arrive as the successors to the last year's iQOO 11 Duo. Now, ahead of the launch next week, the standard model has appeared in leaked hands-on images revealing key specifications. The iQOO 12 carries a model number V2307A. The images reveal the smartphone with a center-aligned punch-hole cutout and a flat display surrounded by thin bezels. As for the core specifications, the device will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor clocked at 3.2 GHz. This was already confirmed earlier. The image also mentions 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. There will also be 12 GB virtual RAM technology onboard. The upcoming offering will feature Vivo's V1 imaging chip for enhanced photography performance. The iQOO 12 is seen in a black color option in the leaked images. As per teasers, the iQOO 12 and iQOO 12 Pro have the same design with a protruding square camera module with slightly curved edges. It houses 3 sensors, out of which one is a periscope lens. Both devices are teased to feature a 100x tele lens. The upcoming offerings are also confirmed to pack a Q1 eSports chip that is a dedicated display processor designed to enhance gaming performance. The iQOO 12 is teased to come in leather-textured red color options, whereas the iQOO 12 Pro is set to come in a white variant with BMW's iconic blue, black, and red stripes.